Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best dough sheeter is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious baker, whether you're running a professional bakery or just love to create intricate pastries at home, as it allows for consistent dough thickness and effortless layering, saving you valuable time and effort while elevating the quality of your baked goods to a whole new level. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender. Introducing the Spring Chef Dough Blender, your new essential for creating delicious homemade baked goods. It's designed to make your baking process smoother and more enjoyable. Tired of struggling with old methods? This tool features heavy-duty stainless steel blades, twice as thick as others, for effortlessly cutting cold butter into flour. Elevate your baking with perfectly textured results. Achieve flakier biscuits, tender pie crusts, and more, thanks to its efficient design that ensures uniform ingredient mixing. Bake for longer without discomfort. Its soft, pressure-absorbing grip handle prevents hand and wrist fatigue, making it ideal for everyone, including those with arthritis. This blender is more than just for dough. Use it to chop fruits, vegetables, nuts, mash baby food, or even make guacamole. Plus, it's conveniently dishwasher safe. What we like? This tool offers superior performance for cutting cold butter into flour, ensuring a flakier texture in your baked goods. Its comfortable, pressure-absorbing handle makes it easy to use, even for those with arthritis. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable way to achieve professional-level results in your pies, biscuits, and pastries, this is the one for you. What people say. The dough sheeter has a powerful motor that handles even thick dough with ease. Its adjustable rollers allow for precise dough thickness control, ensuring consistent results every time. The compact design makes it suitable for small kitchens or bakeries with limited space. Number 4. Nuvantee Pasta Maker, 7 thickness settings. Experience the difference of true quality. This pasta maker is crafted from 100% premium grade stainless steel, ensuring no unpleasant odors and a pure taste for your creations. Achieve the perfect texture every time. With 7 adjustable settings, you can easily control the thickness of your dough, from thick for hearty dishes to thin for delicate pasta or dumpling wrappers. Whip up any pasta you desire with ease. The specialized cutter allows you to create noodles in 2 different widths, perfect for spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, and more. Share the joy of fresh pasta. This manual pasta maker is an excellent gift for anyone who loves to cook, offering a fun and rewarding way to make homemade pasta. Enjoy a delightful kitchen experience. Its clean, manual operation is simple for everyone to use, making fresh pasta making a hygienic and enjoyable activity. We ensure you have the best experience. Your purchase includes a user-friendly manual, and our dedicated customer support is always ready to assist you. What we like? Crafted from premium stainless steel, this machine allows for precise dough thickness control with 7 adjustable settings. It also offers 2 different cutter widths for various pasta types. If you love making fresh pasta at home and want versatility in thickness and noodle shape, this manual pasta maker is an excellent choice for you and your family. What people say. The adjustable thickness settings are easy to use and make it simple to roll pasta exactly how you want it, thin for delicate noodles or thicker for hearty lasagna sheets. The rollers glide effortlessly, and the cutter produces clean, consistent spaghetti and fettuccine without sticking or tearing. The build feels solid and durable. No flimsy parts that make you nervous mid-roll. Even when pushing thicker dough, it stays steady and smooth. Number 3. XXL Silicone Pastry Mat. Prepare all kinds of dough with ease on this extra-large baking mat. It features helpful markings for measurements and conversions, so you can ditch the calculator and focus on your baking. This baking mat stays firmly in place thanks to its anti-slip material, ensuring it won't slide or move around. You can concentrate on rolling out the perfect dough without any distractions. Cleaning up after baking is simple as this mat is dishwasher safe. Save time by easily wiping it clean or simply placing it in the dishwasher. Made from food-grade silicone, its non-stick surface prevents dough from sticking. This means you won't even need extra flour, making rolling out dough easier than ever. Your purchase is protected with a 3-year extended warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund or replacement, ensuring you get the quality you deserve. What we like? This extra-large silicone mat provides ample space for all your dough preparation needs, featuring helpful printed measurements and conversion charts. Its non-slip surface ensures it stays put while you work, and cleanup is a breeze. If you appreciate convenience, accuracy, and a clean workspace while baking, this mat will significantly improve your baking experience. What people say. The mat is large and gives plenty of room for working with pie pastry. It has measurements for pies to pizza dough for helping you determine if you have rolled the dough into a large enough circle. The silicone material is tacky enough to stay in place on your counter but is not actually sticky. It is easy to wipe it down, or wash it in the sink and then I hang it up to dry. The mat has conversion tables and patterns to help you along your way and contains the mess. Just fold, dump, and wash. Number 2. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Pasta Roller Attachment. Tired of store-bought pasta? This attachment transforms your stand mixer into a pasta-making powerhouse, letting you create authentic, fresh pasta dishes right in your own kitchen. From delicate ravioli to hearty lasagna and even dumplings, this attachment is your key to unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. It's perfect for any pasta lover who enjoys experimenting with different recipes. Achieve the perfect dough consistency every time with 8 adjustable thickness settings. Say goodbye to manual pasta makers. This attachment utilizes the power of your stand mixer, freeing up your hands so you can focus on handling the dough and creating delicious pasta and noodles more often. Crafted from high-precision stainless steel, this attachment is built to last. Its durable construction ensures efficient and quiet operation, while its antioxidation and anti-corrosion properties keep it looking great. Easily attach and operate this accessory with your stand mixer. Cleaning is a breeze with the included brush. Simply wash, dry, and store. Please note, it is not dishwasher safe. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This pasta roller attachment makes an ideal present for holidays and birthdays. Plus, it comes with a 1-year after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like. Designed as an attachment for KitchenAid stand mixers, this roller allows for effortless pasta making with 8 adjustable thickness settings. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures efficient and quiet operation. If you own a KitchenAid mixer and want to easily create uniform sheets of pasta for all your favorite dishes, this attachment is a must-have. What people say. It rolls out dough perfectly. I made noodles very quickly and the only hard part was getting the noodle mold I tightened after use. Easy use and cleaning. I bought this to roll out cracker dough and it well exceeded my expectations. I've been using this item for several weeks regularly and it's been holding up great. Number 1. Zacme Stainless Steel Pasta Roller for KitchenAid. Introducing the ultimate pasta roller attachment designed for your KitchenAid stand mixer. It's incredibly easy to attach and detach, ensuring a stable and wobble-free experience every time you make pasta. Achieve the perfect pasta texture with our 8-speed adjustable knob. Easily select your desired thickness, from delicate ravioli skins to hearty fettuccine, for any pasta dish you create. Cleaning up is a breeze with the included brush. It reaches those tricky spots, and a quick rinse is all it takes to make it look brand new again. Please remember, it's not dishwasher safe. Crafted from high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel, this attachment is built to last. Its sturdy, rust-resistant design ensures food safety and a polished look that's easy to maintain. Whether you're a home cook, a beginner, or a pro, this attachment is ideal for anyone who loves delicious homemade pasta without the manual effort. It also comes with a 1-year service assurance. What we like. This pasta roller attachment, compatible with KitchenAid and Cuisinart stand mixers, features an easy-to-use 8-position knob for precise thickness control. Made from durable SUS 304 stainless steel, it ensures a food-safe and long-lasting experience. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile pasta roller that offers great control over your dough's texture and fits your existing mixer, this is an excellent option. What people say. Much to my surprise, it works just as good as the KitchenAid. Rolls the pasta out perfectly. Very easy to use. This is a nice solidly built attachment that fits my old KitchenAid machine perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.